If you have 39.9, is it up to 40? The answer is no. You can't get admission into any department in Delsu. And if it is 40, can you get admission? The answer is yes. Can you get admission into MBBS? The answer is no. For you to get admission into medicine and surgery, your aggregate should be up to 80. Good day, everyone. Once again, I welcome you to my YouTube channel. I've been getting a lot of questions lately regarding the Delsu aggregate, Delsu cut-off mark, and all of that. As at last year, so this video will be based on what happened in 2025/2026 academic session. So 2025/2026 academic session. So it will be based on that. So Delsu cut-off mark is 150. So anything that is below 150, that means you cannot get admission into Delta State University, Abraka, not into any state university. You can't get admission into any state university, but we'll be talking about Delsu here. That's why I'm called Delsu Info. My name is Gido Academy, but you can call me Delsu Info as long as I'm telling you about, if I'm giving you information about Delta State University, Abraka. But if you have questions I do get online, sir, what if I have 149? Can I get admission into Delsu? The answer is no. You can get admission, but you can't get admission into the Delta State University Abraka, because what Delsu is looking at is 150. So you can have 150, you get admission. If you have 151 to 300 to 400, you can actually get admission. Then someone will ask me, sir, thank God the cut-off mark is 150. I got 190. Can I study MBBS? That's medicine and surgery. Sir, can I study medicine and surgery? The answer is no. You can't study medicine and surgery. So after getting 150, the next question you should ask yourself is that, is this enough to study this? And you cannot just use 150 to know or 300 to know if it is enough to study this. Delsu aggregate currently now, the aggregate for Delta State University Abraka can be gone to using, it is 70% JAMB, it is 70% JAMB, and 30% of it is what? Is your WAEC. So in case you can't calculate your aggregate, just go on my YouTube channel, just write Delsu aggregate. Delsu aggregate by Gido Academy. Delsu aggregate by Gido Academy. So if you search for this, you are going to see a video on my YouTube channel on how to calculate, or write how to calculate Delsu aggregate by Gido Academy. You are going to see a video on how to calculate your aggregate. I have explained that the calculation is very, very simple and it's very, very easy. And there are some places I will send this link to go and calculate the aggregate. Once you calculate, they will also ask me, sir, I got a 39, and please, JAMB score is 150. That's the minimum that you need. The aggregate you need for Delsu is 40. So if your aggregate is lower than 40, you cannot get admission into anything. If you have 39.9, is it up to 40? The answer is no. You can't get admission into any department in Delsu. And if it is 40, can you get admission? The answer is yes. Can you get admission into MBBS? The answer is no. For you to get admission into medicine and surgery, your aggregate should be up to 80. Now, let me show you this. If, for example, let me set something for you. Number one, calculate your aggregate. So the first step, go to my YouTube channel, search how to calculate Delsu aggregate by Gido Academy. You can also get this via the video description. Is already there, so you can click on it. It will take you directly to the video. So once you know your aggregate, number two, send me a DM at 081-2023-9539. The reason why you send me a DM, don't just message me randomly. Tell me your name and just say, send me the cutoff mark. Tell me your name and then write, send me, sir, please send me the cutoff mark for Delsu. So I'm going to send you all the aggregate from the beginning to the end. So if you calculate your aggregate and your aggregate is 50, and nursing should be 70 if I'm not mistaken, and nursing is 70, as of last year is 70, can you get admission into nursing? The answer is no. If it is 69, can you get admission into nursing? The answer is no. So your aggregate must be higher than, I don't even prefer to use the word equal, must be higher than the cutoff mark or the school aggregate. So that means if the cutoff mark is 60, if your cutoff mark for the department is 60 and you have 61, you can get admission. You have 62, you can get admission. You have 63, you can get admission. You have 60, you can get admission. You have 59, you can't gain admission into that department. Then the twist is that someone that has 63 can get admission into this compared to you that have 60. So the higher the value, which is if they subtract your value from the aggregate, if your value is higher, that means there is higher chances of you gaining admission into that department. But if your values are lower or your chances are lower, that means there is a very slim chances of you gaining admission into that department. So like what I said, first of all, learn how to calculate your aggregate. If you know your aggregate, send me a DM to confirm if you can get admission into that department or you can't get admission into that department by sending me your name and ask me to send you the cutoff mark. How do you know if you can get admission? If your aggregate is 40 and the cutoff mark is 45, you can't get admission. 44, you can't get admission. 44.9, you can't get admission. 45, you can, but there are lower chances. 50, there are better chances. 60 is a must, you get admission. So if you have any question based on this, or you want me to create a video on a particular thing regarding Delsu University Abraka, please drop that in the comment section, and my next video will be on that. Don't forget, I am Delsu Info, and if you have any question regarding this is my number. Thank you.